Most people waste 5 scrolling. Successful people spend 5 hours learning. How? How to learn in English, how to learn in Forex, how to learn in skills, how to learn in Photoshop. That is different. What if I told you in the next 30 days your entire life you call the change? Your mind, your body, your habits, your confidence, your future, all different. Not next year, not one day, but start today. Most people wait the perfect time, but no winner. The very change with what they have. So the question is, will you stay the same or will your life up? Before you judge your life, you must judge your mind, because everything is starting in your throat. If you think, I am lazy, I cannot eat healthy, your life will stay small. But if you think, I can improve it, I will try, I will win, your life start to grow. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant negative through, it is grow. If you plant positive through, success grow. So for the first 7 days, focus only on your mindset. Every day, wake up early, before 7 a.m. Avoid negative people. Stop complaining. Stop comparing yourself to others. Start stay positive affirmation. Look in the mirror and say, I am strong. I am proof it every day. My future is bright. It is my fail series, but confidence starts with self-talk. Control your mind and you control your life. Know that your mind is strong. It is time to fix your daily habits, because listen carefully, your life is not built in one day. It is built by what you do every single day. Small habits create big results. So drink week 2, exercise 20-30 minutes daily. Drink more water, eat healthy food, sleep early, reduce social media time, read at least 10 pages of book. Most people waste 5 scrolling. Successful people spend 5 hours learning. How? How to learn in English, how to learn in Forex, how to learn in skills, how to learn in Photoshop. That is different. You don't need motivation. You need routine, even when you don't feel it, like excessive. Do it, even when you feel tired. Wait, because displaying it is feeling, and that every small win builds confidence. Not come with serious, but your future. Asking yourself something important. What are you really wanting in the life? Money, freedom, business, skills, success. Be honest. You write this down. Never give goals in your head, but them on paper. Okay? Because writing goals become real goals. Then every day learn a new skills. Student something useful. Work on your dream. Save money. I improve yourself. Even 1 hour per day. 1 hour per day is new. Okay? Think about it. 1 hour it is 30 days. 30 hours of progress. Understand? That is powerful. Most people watch 30 hours watch TV, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So TV, films, or TV. So you call those some 30 hours to change your life. No excuse, because dreams with action are just wishes. This is a hardest week, but also the most important thing. This week separates winners or voters. Just be careful. Motivation is a temporary. Someday you will feel excited. Someday you will feel lazy. But discipline means doing it anyway. Even when bad, even when you are tired, even when nobody is watching. So for the last 30 days, no laziness, no procrastination, no excuse. Finish everything you started. Stay constant. If you stay, you will wake up at 6. Wake up At least if you say you will today, it promises you to solve it, because every broker promise destroy your confidence, but every keep promise build strength. This is how strong people are made. Okay? Now I am imagining something that days later. You wake up early, wake up strong, your body feels healthy, your mind feels clear, you feel confident, you have goals, you take action daily, you are no longer lazy, you are no longer lost, your focus is bling. Okay? A strong that is not different. That's not different person. That is you, but upgraded level 2 version of you, and it all started with one decision, one choice, one day. Okay? So if you're serious about to change your life, don't just watch this video, take action. Start today, not money, not next month. Today, onward. Lord, I will live up. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe for more motivation, and share this with someone who needs a push.